Dylan needs a new plan.
He's trying to disconnect the truck.
And decides to winch the trucks out one at a time. Winching the pickup through muddy waters and hidden obstacles.
There we go, we're up tight now.
When you're working in water, you're pulling blind.
The mission crew is ready to haul in their catch. But as they start to winch,
Hey, we got a whale! Pogo!
the line snags a heavy log.
I can feel it pulling against the chalk.
Any point of contact to the line, it could risk snapping our cable.
Ted releases the tension.
We drop the line back into the water and let the log go.
But as the pickup begins to roll again,
We'll almost be ashore here pretty soon.
heavy rain threatens to bog down the recovery.
She's a mucky mess.
We got to move fast on this job.
Getting heavy?
As it starts to rain, we start to worry about getting stuck.
We got her on somewhat dry ground. Just pull the brake off.
Dylan takes a run at towing the pickup off the beach. But gets trapped in the muck.
Wonderful stave mud. Yeah, it's just digging. This seems solid here, but I don't know.
Dylan came prepared with a second tow truck.
Here, I'll get it. You go run your truck. Keep pulling, Ted!
Ted winched the line tight
Okay.
and then got inside and tried to give me a tug out.
Dylan's recovery has dug in on a muddy shoreline. Even a second tow truck
That's enough.
can't get the other 1 ton and the wreck off the beach.
Stop there.
Dylan needs a new plan.
He's trying to disconnect the truck.
And decides to winch the trucks out one at a time.
They'll give a little less weight.
Straighten his wheels.
Dylan's wrecker is finally free.
Horrible out here, man.
All that's left is the prize he came for.
Tighten that bad boy up, I'll steer it out. Pull it, pull it, pull it.
It's nice to have the job done. It's a good feeling.
Just like butter.
It's done. Take it back to the yard.
Dylan did a good job. I trust him with our equipment. I trust him as a person.
Back at the Mission tow yard, Dylan arrives in his 1-ton to check in with his boss, Ken DeParent.
I see you got a truck to wash now.
A little bit.
A little muddy.
I've seen a lot of growth with Dylan this year.
Did you have to go swimming?
No, just on my arms.
He's worked really hard. He's put a lot of hours in.
Good job, Dylan. Good job.
He's learned a lot.
For Dylan, Ken's more than a mentor.
Come and drive the truck for Grandpa. There you go. Drive that truck.
He's family.
Toot, toot. Toot.